Welcome to How to Wave. Today, we're diving into how you can make money using Google Gemini AI in 2025. Gemini AI can be a powerful tool for generating income across various platforms and industries. First, you can leverage Gemini's content creation abilities. For instance, you can create blog posts, articles, or even ebooks and monetize them through ads or affiliate marketing. Another way to make money is by offering freelance services like copywriting, social media management, or SEO optimization with the help of Gemini AI. Many businesses need content creation and AI-assisted tasks, so offering your expertise could be highly profitable. You can also create and sell digital products like templates, guides, and tools, with Gemini AI assisting in their creation, saving time, and increasing output. Additionally, you could use Gemini to help with coding and software development projects, offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Another option is using Gemini for data analysis and insights, providing valuable market research to companies. With a growing demand for AI-driven services, there are endless opportunities to monetize your skills with Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and